sink into the abyss of a new dark age, made more sinister and perhaps more protracted by the lights of perverted sorrow.
Hello angels, I'm Jheri Emmie. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my entire wash day routine, as well as how I style my hair and how to get maximum definition. So I start off with completely drenching my hair. Girls with curly hair know how long that takes, so make sure to get it really wet. And then I'm gonna go in with my curl quenching conditioning wash by CurlSmith. For me, I usually like to double cleanse my hair weekly, but it depends how my hair is filling. So if my hair is more dry, we'll stick to just only co-washing. But when I really want to get a good cleanse, I try to do a double cleanse weekly. So once the co-wash is in my hair, I then begin to finger detangle. I work my way from my ends up. So I really like finger detangling with my co-wash in, just because I feel like it preps my hair and gets rid of all the tangles before I go in with my actual detangling brush. I now begin massaging my scalp. This is really good for breaking up any product buildup, and it also helps promote blood flow to the scalp, so it's really helped with my hair growth. Now I just make sure to wash the co-wash out really well before going in with my shampoo. The shampoo that I use is from CurlSmith as well. When I am shampooing, I focus only on my roots. I try my hardest not to get it on the ends of my hair. This shampoo has exfoliation properties which I really like, so I feel like it gets my scalp super clean. Since I already use my massaging brush, I just use my fingers for this part. I'm rinsing out the shampoo really well. I love how my hair feels after I shampoo it. It just feels so fresh and so clean. I not only double cleanse, I also double deep condition. So I start off with this L'Oreal Professional one. This one has some protein in it, which helps with preventing breakage because my hair is color treated. You even This conditioner has amazing slip, but my hair is pretty easy to detangle due to me finger detangling earlier. There are some tangles left over, and I do like to go pretty slow when I start detangling. So I start from the bottom and work my way up to the top, and I go piece by piece. I don't section my hair because I'm too lazy in the shower. So I clip my hair up. I don't like to use protein in my hair for too long, just because my hair is protein sensitive, but obviously needs it. So I leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes and go on with my shower routine. Once my first conditioner is rinsed out, it's time to go in with my second deep conditioner. This one is a moisture-based one, so no protein. I find that my hair likes a good balance between moisture and protein. So when I use an intense one, like the L'Oreal one, I always have to go in with a moisturizing one or else my hair will freak out, trust me. I leave that conditioner in forever. It honestly just depends on my mood. And then I go ahead and rinse it out, put my towel on. I use a microfiber towel. I've been using this Briogeo leave-in conditioner for now. I'm still looking for my holy grail, but this one works pretty well. With this, I focus it on my ends mostly. So I'm sectioning my hair right now. I don't do anything special. I then go in with this curl custard from Briogeo. I really like this stuff. It makes my curls super juicy. I like to take a good amount for each section, but I try not to overdo it because this stuff really does weigh down your hair. And then I work it from the bottom to the top. Really try to work it in just because it's so heavy. using a gel, same brand. I like to use a soft gel. This one is pretty good, but the hold is super light. So if you need something a little stronger, I don't recommend it, but I just work it through really well. Okay, so now for the start of the show. The diamond brush, this is really the key to getting maximum definition. With it, I start from the top, and then I bring the brush underneath my section, and then slowly pull it through my hair till I reach the end. I'll go over the piece a few times to make sure I got it right. Scrunching at the end really helps promote definition as well. I continue the same method up my head, just curl custard, gel, and then the Denman brush. You can wet down any of the sections that are getting too dry. Make sure that your hair doesn't dry up too much, just because I feel like this method works best on damp to wet hair. With the Denman brush, I try not to do too big of portions just because I feel like that doesn't give me as much volume. So keeping the portions relatively small helps separate my hair more. I noticed that by pulling the brush really slowly, it helps with the definition really well. When I get to the front portion of my head, I'll put the hair in front of my face, which is the opposite way that it lays. Styling it in the opposite direction helps with volume. After getting this portion really wet, I again go in with the curl custard and my gel. Now I'm splitting the section into subsections and running my Denman brush through, bringing it from the top to the bottom slowly. And then I'm just giving this section a really good scrunch. Once I'm done applying product and defining, I'll take these tiny clips and pin my hair back and up. I try not to pin them too tight because I want to have some volume. Doing this also helps keep my hair out of my face as it dries. You don't have to be perfect with it. I find that the messier I am, the more natural it looks when I take these out, so don't worry about it being perfect. I'm just doing some last minute scrunching to help promote more definition. I'm now spraying it with a shine spray just to help prevent frizz as well. Once my hair is completely dry, I take the clips out and then I just flip my hair upside down and give it a good shake. My first day hair is pretty weighed down, but it loosens up throughout the week. And that is my routine. I hope it helped you out with yours, and thank you so much for watching.